literally get stuck into a groove so that you can glide into the work. So you don't want to be hitting it at this point here, because as you can see, it's just sliding around on the smooth part of the band. So locks into one of those grooves, and then you can slide it into your work. So you're going to thread a needle, and you're going to have your thimble on your middle finger, and then what you do is when you put your needle into your work, you're using your thimble to push it into the fabric, like so. And there's lots of grooves on this thimble, that to make sure that you are not slipping when you're pushing the needle into your work and pulling.